Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix the add phone number option missing in Roblox. First, unlock your phone and open the Roblox app. Now look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu icon. Inside the menu, scroll a little and tap on Settings. This is where Roblox keeps all account-related options and controls. Once the settings page opens, we'll move to account information. Now tap on Account Info. This section manages your personal details and account verification settings. Your age information here is very important for the phone number option to appear. Carefully check your age or date of birth settings. If the account is under 13, Roblox may hide the add phone number option automatically, so make sure your age information is correct. If the settings look correct, but the option is still missing, open the App Store or Play Store. Search for Roblox and check if an update is available. Sometimes older app versions do not display all features properly. If the issue still continues, restart your phone completely. After restarting, open Roblox again and check the settings section. In many cases, the missing option appears normally after this step. And that's how you can fix the missing add phone number option in Roblox step by step. These simple methods usually solve the problem without any complicated settings. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple Roblox troubleshooting tutorials.